we dug into what it really takes to get on the Shark Tank India stage. And what we found is, well, it's not what you think. Imagine this. You walk into a room and 5 of India's most ruthless business tycoons are staring you down. One wrong move and they'll tear your pitch apart. But one right move and you could walk out with a life-changing deal. That's Shark Tank India. And today, we are revealing exactly how to get on the show step by step. Let's go. Trust us, we have seen way too many brilliant startups get rejected just because they missed one tiny detail. And we are not letting that happen to you. You see, most people think it's all about having a $1 million company or a super fancy prototype. But the truth is, the path to the tank is less about what you have and more about how you play the game. In this video, we are going to walk you through the 4 secret phases of the application process that no one talks about, the surprising eligibility criteria, and how to craft a pitch so good it will make even the toughest shark take notice. And stick around to the end because we are going to share the one thing that can get you to a deal even if your numbers aren't perfect. Section 1. The official application process. Alright, let's break this down. First, the official application process. Now, this isn't just a form. It's a 4-round trial designed to push your limits. Phase 1 is your first impression. You register on the Sony Live app or website and fill out the online application form. This is where you give them the basics. Your name, age, which by the way has to be 18 or above as of May 1st, 2025. And some basic key info about your startup like the name, industry, and what problem you're solving. A pro tip here, you don't even need a registered company at this point. Having a unique idea or a minimum viable product is what's important. But if you do have a company, having a unique and scalable idea is the key. This is your chance to hook them, so don't be boring. Tell them what makes your business unique, your USP. And here's a little secret. If you have more than one idea, you can register each one with a different mobile number. Sneaky, right? But hey, it's about giving yourself the best shot. Section 2. The most important 3-minute video of your life. Now, if your phase 1 application is selected, you get the golden ticket to phase 2. This is where things get serious. It's called the detailed Q&A round. They want a deep dive into your business. We are talking about sales figure, revenue generation, market potential, and your financial details like valuation and profit margins. But the most crucial part, the 3-minute video pitch. This is your chance to bring your personality to the table. You need to introduce yourself, clearly explain your idea, and most importantly, articulate why you need the investment. Don't be afraid to show your potential in action. If you have a prototype, make a separate video showing it off. It's all about showing, not just telling. Imagine you're there, standing in front of the camera, a little nervous but full of fire. This video needs to be engaging, professional, and stick to that 3-minute time limit. This is where you make them feel your passion. Section 3. The interview. Phase 3 is the in-person interview. And for this, you need to be a walking encyclopedia of your own business. We are talking about knowing your financial data inside and out. What are your sales, your revenue, your profit margins? They are going to grill you on everything. You also need to be ready with a powerful verbal pitch. And for this round, you will need to bring documents for verification, like company registration, ITRs, intellectual property certificates. You have to have all your ducks in a row. This is where we realize something important. The producers and the sharks are looking for a story. They want to see your passion, your grit, your willingness to adapt. This is about more than just numbers. It's about connecting with your journey on a deeper level. And if you are selected after this phase, you will be invited to the studio shoot in the Mumbai to pitch directly to the sharks. But a word of caution, all travel and accommodation expenses are your responsibility, so start saving up. So, what's the one thing that can save you even if your numbers are a little shaky? It's all about showing growth potential. Even if you don't meet specific revenue or customer criteria, showing the potential for scalability can be a game changer. You need to show them you have a plan to grow and become a big, successful business. Because at the end of the day, that's what the sharks are looking for, a future success story. So there you have it, the real path to the Shark Tank India stage. It's not easy, but it is absolutely achievable if you are prepared. One question to you is, are you ready? What's your business idea? Drop a comment below and let us know. We would love to hear about it. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will help you turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching.